will happen? Where we will store the excess carbon? Nowhere. So these excess carbon will stay in the atmosphere, and if they stay in the atmosphere, they will absorb heat and raise the average temperature worldwide and create all these climatic vulnerabilities and abnormalities all over the world. You see, just now Vietnam's faced a cyclone. Just day after that, Philippines faced another cyclone. All over the world, we are facing cyclones, from America to Asia, from Europe to Africa. No one is no one is spared. Everywhere we are showing the devastating role of our mother nature, right? So what happened is earlier, before 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, for a long time, we the humans have destroyed our ecology for growing high rises, for growing power plants, for growing resorts and other infrastructures. So we have destroyed a lot of forest. Nowadays, nature is also destroying the forest. And just I have said in the starting that as nature plus man both are destroying the forest, our Mother Earth is finding it extremely difficult to catch the rate of dying of trees with the rate of growth growth in trees. That means new ones are not able to catch